The first app that you should know about is Upload.io. Yes, this one is completely free, just like the other app that I'll be talking about in a few. If you visit their website, you'll see various information about them. Even the payment proof is on the website to show you that this is legitimate and can truly give you additional income. If you look at the payment proofs, you'll notice that there are tons of people already taking advantage of this chance. Some of them are earning $2, $3, $5, $6, and some are getting $11. You can repeat the process over and over again to earn as much as you can. You have the power to control the amount that you get from these applications. To give you an idea of this website, Upload.io will help you earn if you upload 3,000 images. You can also earn money if you upload something on this website and let other people download it for free. That way, you'll now be getting some extra cash. If someone downloads whatever it is you upload on this website, you'll automatically have money in your account. As long as someone is downloading your content, you don't have to worry about doing anything because you'll get paid even if you're traveling, working, or even sleeping. If you're thinking that 3,000 images is too much, then stay with me as I'll also be sharing with you some bonus tips to do it easily. But before that, I'll first show you how you can register for this application. Go back to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be taken to their user registration page. You just have to provide the necessary information such as username, email, password, and payment information. Once you're done with creating your account, you can now explore the things that you can do with this application. Before we move further with Upload.io, we should first visit the second website or application that you'll be using to maximize the use of the first website. This application is called Pixabay. This will give you tons of royalty-free and copyright-free images. You can download the application using Google Play Store and make sure that you visit the right application. They even stated that the images on Pixabay can be used for commercial purposes. That means that you can certainly use everything that you'll see on Pixabay and upload those images to the first website that I talked about. Now I want you to visit Pixabay.com. You can scroll through their website to learn more about them. There's even a statement on their homepage saying that there are over 2.5 million high-quality stock images, videos, and music on their website that are shared by different people all over the world. You can look for whatever photo you like and look it up in the search bar. If you're trying to navigate through the website right now, you might want to try to type in the word nature. It'll instantly give you endless choices of images to choose from. If you click on any image that caught your attention, you'll see the free download button. Before you can totally download the image, you have the chance to choose a resolution that you prefer. I highly suggest that you choose a high-quality image. You can possibly choose the best resolution to make sure that even if you download and re-upload the image, the quality is still good. We can agree that you download the image at 1280p. When you click on Download, you'll immediately have it on your computer or your smartphone. Having the option to do this on different devices makes it much more convenient. Before we go back to the first website, I want to show you another example. You can search for another keyword. I bet that whatever it is you're thinking, Pixabay has those images for you. To make sure that you understand what I've shown you earlier, try to download this image with a resolution that I've suggested. It's very important that you don't forget about this because if you have a high-quality image, there will be more people interested in downloading it from the first website. And yes, the more downloads from other people, the more money that you'll take home. Both of these applications are free. You won't have to spend a single penny to try and start earning from this opportunity. We'll now go back to the first website, which is Upload.io. When you log into your account, you'll see the words that say "Click here to start" in the lower part of your screen. You can either click on that link or just click on the image in the middle of the screen. Once you choose the images that you'll upload, you'll now see them in your account. You have the option to add more files. You can add as many images as you need in order to earn the amount that you desire. Once you're satisfied with the number of images that you'll upload, just click on the blue button on the lower right side of your screen. you'll see the Start Uploading button and you just have to click on that. Once the upload is done, you can view the images that you've just uploaded. You should also know that the images from Pixabay are just little files and won't take up much space on your devices. Also, because of this, the download and upload of the images are pretty quick and easy. You don't have to wait for hours to finish the process, just a few seconds, depending on how many images you're going to upload. And yes, you can do it as much as you like or anytime you have free time. This is really convenient and can be a good source of income, especially if you want to have more than one income stream. You can do it whenever you have free time and wherever you are. If you have a day job, you can do it once you get home. The money that you'll make from this can greatly help you, especially if you're still a student. That's all I have for you.